Jinlong Academy.
It's day 22. Every word you learn makes a difference. Let's tackle today's 10 and continue to grow your vocabulary. Lay. Lay. Tired. Lung. Lung. Cold. Li. Li. In. 里边 里边 inside 两 两 two 零 零 zero 六 六 six 楼 楼 floor 楼上 楼上 upstairs 楼下 楼下 downstairs. Another 10 words learned on day 22. You're doing fantastic. Don't forget to review. See you for day 23.